what's up you guys? Welcome to John's Moto Garage. I'm John. This is where we buy and sell motorcycles and do other fun stuff with them. Today I'm going to load up this Suzuki Boulevard C109R into the back of my pickup truck. Show you guys how it's done. I already loaded up the Sporty, so check out that video as well. Wow. This bike is such a beast compared to the Sporty. It actually sits lower, but it's just so dang wide. This tank is the ultimate. I forget how much it weighs off the top of my head, but she's a big bike. Alright my friends, I would not try this at home on a moto like this. Unless you've done this multiple times with different bikes, I would definitely get some buddies. I would back up to the curb. Check out the video where I buy the bike. You can see how I back up to the curb and it makes it way less steep of an angle. But as always, we're pushing the limits here. Oh, this thing's so freaking big. So we will give this one a shot. Cover the front brake, have your feet off to the side. You don't have to give it a ton of gas, but just give it enough gas where you can, once you're starting up the ramp, you're not wasting time on the ramp. You don't want to be hanging out there. You want to get up into the truck and call it good. All right, let's roll. Bam! This thing just freaking flies up it. It's like a rocket ship. Check out the video where I review this bike and do a ride, because it is a beast. All right, backing up. Let's go. Again, backing up, cover the front brake, keep your feet down. Woo! This thing's big. All right, you guys, there you have it. Loading and unloading a Suzuki Boulevard C109R. That's a 109 cubic inch, 1800cc beast of a monster of a motorcycle. But it can be done. Where there's a will, there's a way. Let's go ahead and put these ramps away, and I will call it a day. As always, if you're digging the content, like, subscribe, hit up my other videos. Let me know what you'd like to see. In my other videos, I show you what I paid for the motos. And when I sell them, I'll let you know how much we're able to make or lose. All that interesting stuff. But as always, you guys, thanks for tuning in. Hit the like button, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions, what you would like to see. All right, you guys, take it easy. We'll catch you on the next one.